Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today we're working with the Vixen. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. But we're working on a Bonney Vixen. So sit back, enjoy how I restore this beautiful wrench.
The Vixen wrench is designed as a handy pocket tool for general use in and around the automobile, tractor, or farm machinery. Here's the Bonney pre-evaporust. Here you can see I'm using the wire wheel using the soft brush. Voila! Doing some cleanup with the orbital sander. I am cleaning up the teeth with a file. Here to be perma-blued. This is my very first attempt at ever trying to blue any steel. Once I have blued the steel and rinsed it clean, I will buff it with some steel wool, and then I will hang it under the heat vent overnight. Here we're putting on the flits. I will protect the metal with the paste wax. And here's what the wrench looked like before we started. And here's what the wrench looks like when we are finished. For cutting new threads. The Vixen wrench is designed as a handy pocket tool for general use and around the automobile, tractor, or farm machinery. The two ends are milled with teeth of capacity to turn pipe from 1/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch. The tapered holes in the center are made to restore or clean threads on bolts that have become bruised or battered. The openings are not intended to be used for cutting new threads. Vixen wrenches are drop forged, ground, polished, and hardened. Furnished in U.S. standard threads. Length overall is 7 3/4.
Well, there you have it, folks. Me with the Vixen. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and comment. Here's a video. Subscribe to me.